Happy Monday from Central Illinois. We got a shit ton of snow yesterday. This is the current situation outside of my front door. So that'll be fun to shovel out. This is the current situation on my back patio. Don't worry, every chair's already broke, so. We were supposed to get up to like possibly 16 inches. We're definitely close. The snow stopped about an hour ago. But my husband's been out here plowing. It blew so bad last night that the drifts are terrible. So it's been fun, but I think the snow has stopped. Now we just wait till Friday whenever it comes back again.